everybody, and welcome to Toptech. We are just installing a new simulator, and as you can see, James is the first person to use this simulator, and I think he's having a lot of fun. James, you're having fun?
Yes.
The concentration level is so much.
Yes.
Well, you can tell that we are not using the automatic, although we can use both automatic and manual. We are very interested in using the manual. So James, what do you want to tell everybody?
I recommend you come to Toptech to have a very very fun experience with this new simulator. And I recommend, you come and enjoy this.
I know you are struggling to concentrate,
yes.
And that is it. So we have a lot more programs. This is just for racing, for fun. But then we will install what it needs for beginners to start knowing what to do. And I can bet you that your friends will be here. James, am I right?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, so let's have some fun.